Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. Today, we're going to talk about sewage ejection pumps. Oh, you're not going to like this. I also want to let you know this is not my job. I'm not building this house. And also, if you discover something new in the video, maybe you could buy me an ice cream cone or a beer, whatever. Just give me a tip because I'm saving you some money. And all you have to do is click that thanks text link under the video. Let's get started. All right, you're looking at a sewage ejection pit. What it is, it's like a little sump. And I'll give you a wide view here. So here we are inside the lower level of this new home. And those plumbing pipes right there. And these right here. And that sink over there, as well as one here. They're going to eventually all come into here. They all connect together, all those pipes, and they drain into this. It's got a capacity probably of about 40 gallons or so. It's probably about 30 inches high, and you can see the diameter compared to my foot. All right, so, and these two holes here, this is where a vent pipe is going to come in, and this is where the pump below attaches to a pipe here, and then that will be piped up overhead to here. And this is where all of the plumbing for the house above us that has yet to be built, like all of the plumbing that's going to be upstairs, will eventually flow into this pipe, and then it will flow outside to the septic system. But this, all of the plumbing down here, it will all flow into here, and then it's going to be piped up to that other pipe. You need to understand that I've been a master plumber since 1981, all right? And I have put in a couple of these sewage ejection systems inside a house, and all that it really is, understand this little basin here, it's simply a septic tank inside your house. Who would want to put a septic tank in their home, all right? Nobody. Nobody wants to put a septic tank inside their home, and for good reason, all right? Because they stink, all right? They stink. It gets worse. You know that the pump's going to go bad, right? The pump's going to go bad. Somebody may, for example, one of your guests, even though you told them not to do it, they might flush a tampon down the toilet. Maybe they bring their own flushable wipes. They flush one down. And then, they go home. They're out of sight. And then all of a sudden, a day or two later, you wonder why the alarm goes off. Because the pump is burned up. Or the pump has stopped because of that crap that's in there. All right? Here's the bottom line. You do not want a sewage ejection pump or system in your home. Never. You don't want it. Imagine the mess. Imagine the expense when the pump does go bad or when it's got to be unclogged. What's it going to cost to take all that apart? Somebody's got to come and take that lid off, and they're going to charge you a lot of money because they're just messing with, you know what's in there, right? I mean, you know what's in that water, right? It's brown. It's horrible. It's horrible. And I can tell you, no matter how good the lids are, they always seem to leak a little bit of sewer gas. So you have this potential of having sewer gas in your home all the time. You don't want one of these things. It's that simple. Do not put one of these in it. So how do you avoid that? You have to think ahead. You have to buy a lot. You have to build your home on land where you can have gravity flow from the lower level out to a septic tank, out to a city sewer, wherever. Don't buy a piece of crap lot where you have to pump sewage up. It's insanity. Don't do it. You got any questions? Guess what? I do phone coaching. If you need help trying to figure out what is the best lot so that you don't have this happen to you, I can do it with you over the phone. And remember, this isn't my job. And if you discovered something new, why don't you buy me a beer or an ice cream cone, a lemonade? I don't care what it is. Maybe a candy bar. I really don't care. All you have to do is click that thanks text link that you see under the video. I really appreciate it. Okay, I'm Tim Carter. Remember, been a master plumber since 1981. Don't put one of these sewage ejection systems in your home. Don't do it. You'll regret it to your dying day.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.